In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your first Google Ads campaign in a simple and structured way so you do not waste money by guessing. You will learn 7 steps that you must have ready before you start, the exact steps to launch your campaign properly, and the common beginner mistakes to avoid. So, by the end of this video, you will understand how to go from zero to a live campaign that is actually built to bring real leads or sales, not just clicks. If you are setting up your first Google Ads campaign, I suggest you to avoid these beginner mistakes because launching a campaign is easy, but launching a campaign that actually brings leads or sales is different. So before you even touch Google Ads, there are 3 things you must have ready. Otherwise, your campaign will spend money but will not convert. So number one thing is you must know your goal. So is it lead generation, e-commerce sales, calls, bookings, or traffic? So without having a clear goal, Google Ads will keep guessing and your money will keep burning. Number two is you must have a working landing page, not just your home page. A proper conversion focused page where a user can take action easily. So it could be call you, fill a form, buy the product, or book a demo. Then number third is you must set up conversion tracking. Tracking tells Google what actions are valuable for your business and definitely it aligns with your business goal. So no conversion tracking means you are spending money without knowing what is working and what is not. So there is a big reason most beginners face. And now let's set up your first campaign in the right order. So step number one, choose the right campaign type. For beginners, there are two safe and effective options. Search campaign for services, lead gen, and B2B businesses. Performing Max could be best for e-commerce or product-based businesses, and I would suggest never start with display or broad YouTube ads if you have limited budget. They are good later, but not for the beginners. Step number two, choose one goal per campaign. If your goal is leads, select leads. If your goal is sales, select sales. Never mix traffic, leads, and sales in one campaign. It confuses Google and ruins your results. And then step number three is target the right location. Don't target entire countries or entire continent. Start with your actual selling location. For example, if your product ships only in Dubai, so target only Dubai. If your services is for US, keep it US only. And then definitely you have to exclude all the other locations. The more focus your location, the more budget control and better results you will get. Step number four, keyword strategy. Most beginners choose broad, generic keywords like digital marketing, skincare products, or training software. So these are expensive and not always conversion ready. So instead, what you should do, you should focus on intent-based keywords like Google Ads course with mentorship, employee training software with HR teams, vitamin C serums for acne scars. So you see, like these are the keywords that bring people who are ready to take action because they show their high intention to take immediate action. Step number five is make your ad copies clear, simple, and problem focused. So you have to show that you understand what the user is looking for and you give them a simple next step. Never ever say like we are the best digital marketing agency or best digital solutions company. Instead, you should say generate leads for your training businesses in 30 days, and then definitely you should add a CTA like book a free demo. Like so this sounds like a complete ad copy where you explain or portray their problem with the solution and with a clear CTA. Step number 6 is you have to add your conversion action. So this is the most important part. Link your form, call tracking, purchases, or calendar booking so that Google learns what success looks like. Without conversion tracking, you will never be able to optimize your campaign. So step number 7 is set budget wisely. If you are just starting, start small. $15 to $30 per day, let Google learn. And once you see which keywords and ads are working, then you start scaling. And finally, I will give you a beginner friendly tips that definitely save you costs a mile. So don't try to launch 5 campaigns at once. Start with one campaign and collect data. Do not change settings every few hours. Let the campaign run for at least 7 to 14 days before analyzing. Do not judge your campaign based on clicks. Only judge based on leads, calls, or purchases. And always remember, a profitable Google Ads Ads campaign is built on a strategy, not just settings. So if this setup feels overwhelming or if you want someone to set up your Google Ads the right way from day one, you can book a setup call with me using the below link. And if you are someone who wants to learn Google Ads step by step and build it into a skill, not just a task, I have a beginner friendly Google Ads course, link in the description. So subscribe if you want me to show you not just how to run campaigns, but how to make Google Ads profitable for your business or for your career. See you in the next video.